Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel FL Institute. This is me, Sunny, with you all. I hope you will be fine and you will be spending your life like a joyed bird. So, today I'm gonna explain a very essential and one of important topic which is all about conditionals. But before moving toward the topic, I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So let's step ahead toward the topic without wasting your time and my time. So the topic which I'm going to explain that is all about grammar. In grammar, there is a topic which is conditionals. First of all, I'm going to explain that what are conditionals. Then I'm going to explain that the types of conditionals. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and the last one is third conditional. I'm going to explain step by step. But first of all, I will explain that what are conditionals. So, what are conditionals? Conditionals are also known as if clauses. Conditionals are the sentences which has two clauses, if clause and main clause. Conditionals consist of two clauses, if clause and main clause. There will be two clauses, if clause and main clause. So I hope you have gotten the definition of conditionals, that what are conditionals. So let's step ahead toward the types of conditionals, means zero conditional. So zero conditional, it talks about the situations there are always true or possible, like there will be possibility, true and possibility. It talks about that situations which are true and possible, like there will be possibility. Let's move ahead toward the structure of zero conditional. If plus simple present plus simple present. So let's step ahead toward the examples of zero conditional. So the first example is, if it rains, the ground gets wet. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Like it's true, it's possible, it can be done in the future. The second one is, if you heat ice, it melts. Like here is also possibility, like it's possible that if you heat the ice cube, so it will melt. It will melt, so it's true. So I hope you have gotten zero conditional, that what is zero conditional. So let's step ahead toward the first conditional, that what is first conditional. First conditional, it is used to express the possibilities in the future. It's very simple and easy to understand that what is first conditional. It is used to show or express the possibilities in the future. So let's step ahead toward the structure of it. The structure is if plus simple present plus simple future. So, for example, like if I go to bazaar, I will buy 1 kilogram apples. Like it will happen in the future. So, let's step ahead toward the second example. Second example is, if you practice math, you will get great marks. If you practice math, you will get great marks. So, it's possibilities of the future, coming future. So the last example is, if I pass the exam, I will organize a party. If I pass the exam, I will organize a party. So I expect that you have gotten something new from first conditional, that what is first conditional. So let's step ahead toward the second conditional, that what is second conditional. Second conditional, it tells us about imaginary situations, or it tells us about hypothetical situations in the present or future, or it tells us about that situations that unlikely to happen, like hypothetical situation, imaginary situations, like it tells us about hypothetical situations. So let's move ahead toward the structure of it. If plus simple past plus would plus verb base form. For example, let's step ahead toward the examples of it. Like if I became the PM, like Prime Minister, I would lower taxes. Like it's hypothetical sentence. Hypothetical like imaginary. The second example is, if I were you, I would quit smoking. So it's also imaginary sentence, like we can imagine and we can't do it. And the last one is, if I won $1 billion, I would stop working. I would stop working. So it's also imaginary situation because it's not easy to won $1 billion. So it's also a hypothetical sentence. So I expect that you have gotten second conditional, that what is second conditional. So let's move ahead toward the last conditional. The last conditional is third conditional. So, third conditional is used to speak about impossible past events or imaginary situations in the past. Like in second conditional, we talk about the present and future, like hypothetical situation in the present and in the future. Like here in third conditional, we talk about impossible past situations or hypothetical past situation. Like here, point to be noted. Point to be noted that here in third conditional, it can't be changeable. Like it can't be changeable. Point to be noted. So let's step ahead toward the structure of third conditional. If plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle means third verb. For example, let's step ahead toward the examples. If I had saved my money, I would have bought a bicycle. So it's also like hypothetical situation in the past. Like it can't be changed, like it happened in the past. So we can't change this because it happened in the past, like it has been gone. So we can't change it. So the last example is, if I had waited for you more, I would have missed the plane. Like it's also hypothetical situation or imaginary sentence in the past. Like we can't change. If I had waited for you more, like we can't change it. It has been gone. So I would have missed the plane. If I had waited for you more, I would have missed the plane. So I expect that you have gotten the conditionals, that what are conditionals. So if you have any question related to this grammar or another grammar, so you can just comment me in the comment box below. And in the end, I would like to wind up my topic with this request to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss an update, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, with your families. So have a nice day. Thanks for being a part of this class. Allah Hafiz.